Correction of errors. If, after the authentication of a text, the signatory and contracting states are agreed that it contains an error, it can be corrected by initialing the corrected treaty text, by executing or exchanging an instrument containing the correction, or by executing the corrected text of the whole treaty by the same procedure as in the case of the original text. If there is a depositary, the depositary must communicate the proposed corrections to all signatory and contracting states. In the UN practice, the Secretary-General, in his function as depositary, informs all parties to a treaty of the errors and the proposal to correct it. If, on the expiry of an appropriate time limit, no objections are raised by the signatory and contracting states, the depositary circulates a proces-verbal of rectification and causes the corrections to be effected in the authentic texts.